guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Sheila. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure to click that subscribe button, join the family, and we are glad to have you here. So guys, today we are doing a weekend vlog, but before we do that, everything. I was trying to clean up. Yes, I was trying to clean up, trying to clean the fridge and all that. But before we do that, let's talk about Miss Trudy. So guys, Miss Trudy has accomplished so much. And I'm grateful to be one of the people who started watching her when she was still so young. And this girl has just come so far, you guys can't even imagine. And for me, I feel like I'm also going there. I am going there, like literally. So let's keep on subscribing. Let's keep on watching the video. Let's keep on watching the videos. Anyway, guys, so I'm really waiting for Miss Trudy US vlogs. I can't wait to see her. Like, you guys, if you know who Miss Trudy is, she's one of the best African content creators, actually a Kenyan content creator who goes all out of her way to just make content for us and give us exposure to the world. And who are we not to watch? We have to watch her vlogs, you guys. So head over to her channel, subscribe, like, share, and comment on all her videos if you have not been watching Miss Trudy. So guys, with that having been said, I was trying to clean up, as I said earlier, and I was actually I had already washed all the how are they called, the fridge open boxes, and I had already wiped them. So these are the only things that are remaining, and then we get to arrange the fridge with you. It was looking so pathetic, and I was like, why would it look like that while I'm here? My mama has a daughter. Why would her fridge look pathetic, you know? So I was up very early in the morning at around 6 o'clock. Yeah, but now it's 9. So I've been up for about 4 hours right now. Yeah, about 4 hours. And you know what I've been doing? I've just been cleaning. Just clean. That's what I've been doing. So I'm done with the cleaning. So let's get to arrange these things back to where they're supposed to be. Much later during the day. I'm taking my brother to the barber shop apate haircut because Monday anaenda shule. He's going to school on Monday. So yeah, let's go. I'll catch up with you when I'm at the barber shop. outside, guys. We are the shop. Our shop. We're looking good. Guys, this is the time we are coming back home. And as you can hear, tumetoka kwa duka ndio tunaingia kwa nyumba. So much light out here, which is so pretty. It's so dope. When I get into the house, guys, okay, I guess I'll see you kesho. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. I'm worn out. Yeah. So I'll see you tomorrow. Good night.
The next day.
How you guys doing? So it's the next day in the morning on a Sunday, and I just want to get ready. I first want to wash my hair. I'm so confused. I want to wash my hair, blow dry it because it's so shaggy. Oh my gosh. And then we'll see how the rest of the day goes. So come with me. I'm done. Oh my god, this hair is so tight, but I'm done. I'm so late. The service starts at 10. It's 9:30 and I'm still in the house, but this is my outfit of the day. How do I look, Mom? I look good. Good, my edges are slaying. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh, who's that? We are done with church. We are heading home. Say hi. 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 Hey mama, I'm so hungry. So after a place to kunywe chai. This place is so chill. Tunaingia na wapi? Where is the restaurant? Huko kumefunguliwa leo? Huko? Hakujafunguliwa? Okay. Go look for another place.
Tuangalie huko nje kwanza.
Hi guys, hoping your weekend is fine. So we are here at Restaurants. It's around Muthaiga Square. Tumemaliza kula. We are first from church. We were so hungry and there's so much cold in these sides. So I decided to come and eat. I just treat my mom kidogo kidogo, you know. So we are done and we want to go home. So thank you for watching this weekend vlog. Hey guys, hope you guys are well. I'm back from church. One out kidogo, just a bit, not so much, but I thank God for the day. It was a successful one, and happy Girlfriend's Day to all the beautiful queens out there. Make sure to enjoy yourselves, and it's all about celebrating yourselves, friendship, and the bonds that you've been creating and having for the longest time, and not wanting, or rather expecting, or putting it into perspective that your boy or man's or husband or whatever should post you on their status. Who does that? Anyways, so for me, my Girlfriend's Day was a good one. I got wishes from my special people or from my special person, and I appreciate that. And what I did is I took it as an initiative to take my mama out. So it was a successful one. I'm glad she enjoyed the day, and I took charge of everything, which makes me feel proud of myself also. So I feel good that she's happy and her stomach is saying thank you. So that's girls for me. Treat your friends, your girlfriends, and treat yourselves out there. So tomorrow being the 2nd of August, that is when this video will be going up. So stay tuned for more videos from me to come. I love you so much. Please subscribe, like, share, and don't forget to comment your thoughts. I'll be answering them kama kaida. Thank you for always supporting me. Bye.